So hi guys, in today's video I wanted to do a story, basically an update on Candy Wow and Mackerel. We recently got a video of Candy Wow, and as soon as I saw it I thought of Mackerel. And if you guys don't remember, Mackerel is the one that said she take people man. Candy Wow was call the police, wow, call the ambulance, wow, wow, wow. So let's get into the story and the update on these two ladies. So, according to Urban Islands, Mackerel recently announced that she is pregnant, and it says Jamaican influencer and upcoming artist Latasha Mackerel Francis is displaying her pregnant belly even as she has attempted to hide her pregnancy for weeks now. Fans couldn't help but to notice her belly, but Mackerel has not addressed the questions. Mackerel became popular over her saying, "People man nice and comfortable," and has since become a viral sensation promoting stealing other women's men. In the most recent times, however, Mackerel has become an influencer as she promotes Jamaican businesses. Her pregnancy has come as a shock, however, to her 245,000 fans who follow her on Instagram, as many express concerns about her well being and a position in life. Frances previously disclosed that she was thrown out into the streets by her mother when she was 15 years old and had lived with an older man in order to avoid homelessness and to survive. And at just 18 years old, social media fame found her. But her words were wise beyond her years as she seasoned out her decision to live with older men rather than on the streets where she might have faced rape and other forms of abuse. According to Frances, her mother did not show her the love and care she needed, which later manifested into her seeking it from willing older men. Now, at 21 years old, Frances already has a son who she says was born to a man with who she had her first sexual encounter at just 12 years old. The man is older than her, but Frances has refused to disclose his name or information for the fear that he might be arrested for statutory rape. In the meantime, her fans were not so pleased about her pregnancy. Whose husband is this baby for? I'm just asking. Wow, one person commented. Wrong time me think you get pregnant still, but congratulations, another person said. Others question her ability to be a mother again since her first child lives with the father. Wonder what kind of role model you're going to be to this kid. It's sad to know sometimes some of you get pregnant, really shouldn't the poor child. One of the followers wrote underneath a video of her dancing and twerking in the white jumpsuit. Meanwhile, others mused about who could be the father of the child. Maker was previously linked to Nardo, RT Boss Smith, the so-called spiritual advisor of dancehall artist Spice, dancer Marvin the Beast, as well as Intense, and some even named Skillibeng as potential father. Mackerel has not confirmed who the father of her child is. And I also seen a video on Instagram of her promoting a business. So Mackerel is doing good. From what I can see online, both on Instagram and her TikTok, and she's promoting a business. So if you really want to support her, she says it's her business, and I hope it really is her business. So you can go to her Instagram page and support her. They have both women and men clothing available. So it's good to see that Mackerel is doing good. And I hope when she gives birth, she's able to bounce back and do her party promotions and music and all of that. I'm just curious as to who this baby belongs to, and I hope this is not someone's man Mackerel took and got pregnant for. I hope she has a man that's not going to stand up only in her life but also the baby's life, because you can't take people man and get pregnant in a work. So what are your thoughts on Mackerel's pregnancy and her new business ventures?
Who are you? Vice cartel, all of them. Struggle is real. But I know I will survive. Get chicken. Yeah, Genty and Spice Cartel, all I know. Have to give me some money. Me need it. Right. Bumbo clan. No. Right now. Coming out of clothes, me not have food, me not have who are you? Spice Cartel, all of them. Stuff is real. But I know I will survive. Get chicken. Yeah, Genty and Spice Cartel, all I know. Have to give me some money. Me need it. Right. Bumbo clan. No. Right now. Coming out of clothes, me not have food, me not have
So, as you can see from that clip that I inserted in here, Candy is not doing good. Candy was said to be a prostitute and she was on drugs when she first came on the scene. And it seems like that is exactly what she went back to. She resorted back to taking drugs and being a prostitute. And she was doing good for a long time, but I feel like when you plummet people like this into stardom, into star life, and you don't have right people around them to guide them and to show them the way, then they're going to resort to their old ways. And I feel like for Candy's situation, she actually really needs medical care. She needs to go into a facility and actually detox and actually come off drugs in order for her to get better. And I feel like she needs the presence of good friends and good family members around her to maintain her sobriety. I honestly feel like she is super duper talented. She's not just one of those person that came on the scene that's not talented. Because when she did her show with Spice, she was able to control the stage, control what she was doing, and entertain everybody. And not everyone that gets plummeted into stardom or star life can do that. A lot of people will fold under pressure, and Candy did not. So I really hope she gets better and I really hope she seeks the help that she needs. What I will say though is all the people that actually used her while she was up and while she was getting money and get promotion deals and all of that, they actually need to go find her and make sure she is good. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube still making money off her, still gaining traction, still having ads. They need to go find her and support her because you can't do people like that. Honestly, Candy can be anybody's mom, anybody's grandmom, anybody's cousin, auntie, all of that. So, all of who that used her and used out all the money that she had, because I feel like Candy was definitely mismanaged, need to go find her and help her. And in the video, the person in the video is talking about Spice and Shensi and Cartel need to come help her. Spice and Shanti and Cartel are first of all, Spice don't live in Jamaica like that. Shensia definitely don't live in Jamaica like that. And Cartel is in jail. So I would suggest they ask somebody like Bounty Killer who runs Bounty Killer's Foundation, or they could ask somebody like Miss Donna or Romish to actually help her. But she definitely needs help and she is not doing good. So, what are your thoughts on Candy Wow? Do you think she's a lost cause? Do you think that she actually has talent? Do you think that she can bounce back? I definitely think she can bounce back. And unlike others like her that Jamaicans like to plummet into stardom that don't have any talent, I feel like she definitely have talent. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Wow! 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 One more! Wow! One more! Wow!